How to download or get the Canva application for your Android mobile. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Canva application for your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is open your Google Play Store. So Google Play Store is the official platform from where we download and install application. So once you are inside your Google Play Store, you need to click onto this search option at the bottom. And once you will do this, you can see the search bar will appear at the top of this particular page right here. So simply click onto this search bar and search for Canva. And once you will click the search option, you can see this Canva option right here. So simply click onto the Canva application, and from here you can review the details of the same, like the ratings, the size which is around 10 megabytes, its another ratings, and the number of downloads which are currently 500 million plus. And if you will scroll down, you can find the about section, the events and offers, things related to the data safety, and you can also choose to rate this application from here, and ratings and reviews are posted here. So in order to install, you need to simply click onto this install button, and here you can see that the download has started and the installation has started as well, and the application has been installed. And now from here you have this option to open the application. So in order to open, simply click onto this open button, and here you can see that we have now successfully entered the Canva application. So that's how easily you can download and install the Canva application for your Android mobile device. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.